What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I wanted to do one of the 5 things I hate about my Infiniti Q50. I did a video like this with my Altima, and I feel like it's only right to do it with the Q50. Everybody's been hitting me up, asking me how I feel about the car. So I do want to let you all know I do love the car, and these are pretty much my nitpicking type of things that I don't like about the car. Well, not so much nitpicking, but it's just things I don't like about the car in general. But they're not make or break type of things. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. So I feel like most of the things that I'm going to choose for this list is going to be almost comparing it to the Altima in a way, but it'll make more sense as I jump into it. But for the most part, I'm not gonna do things like cosmetic stuff that I don't like. Psych! Things like that, like the front bumper, because this is the version I chose, so knew what it was. But what I'm gonna do, let's go ahead and jump into it. So number 5. All right, this isn't in any particular order, but this is what I hate: the trunk space. It's not. This is pretty small. This is a tiny trunk. I'm pretty sure the box that I had in my Altima with my 15 is not gonna fit in here, and if it does, it's gonna take up all of the space. So I'm not gonna say, oh, they should have did something different or anything like that, but I'm not a fan of the space that is back here. But that's the type of car it is, so that's number 5. But while we're back here, let's go ahead and go to number 4, and that is, I don't see a way to put the trunk, put the seats down. Like, we got that. That's pretty much it. But yeah, with the Altima we had these little latches that did that, but these are not the same. These are for groceries. Some people did not know that, but yeah, you can hang your bags from that. But yeah, and even if you were able to put the seat down, and well, I have the base model, but if you could put the seat down, it's not like you can get a lot more space out of this. So yeah, that's another thing that did surprise me. But like I said, these things are not make or break type of things, but it is what it is. Like that one, those two pretty much surprised me like right away. As far as number 3, the number 3 thing that I don't like is the speakers in the back. I don't know if it's just because of it being the bass or not, but when I'm playing my music and I'm listening to it, it's only the speakers in the front. Don't have the speakers in the back doors or anything like that. And that was the same thing that I had in my Altima, and I had the SR Midnight Edition. So even a little higher trim, and it still had that same feature. So I think that's a Nissan thing. Nissan/Infiniti. But it is what it is. I'm probably gonna get that wired up and get some speakers back there when I work on the audio, but that's gonna be a little further down the line. But that's number 3 for you. And going to number 2, I don't really know if this one should really count, because I knew it going into it, and it's not really fair to compare it to the Altima, but it is the miles per gallon. Nah, I'm not gonna use that one. Nah, that's a cheap one, because I am going through some gas with this thing, so I'm not gonna use that one. That's not fair. But I will say, number 2, let's go ahead with the interior colors. Like, I got the black seats and everything's black, but for some reason, pillar and all the way up, it's not black. Like, I don't know why they do this two-tone thing. They did this in the Altima as well. I don't get why they do that. Like, why not just have it all black or all the other color? I'm not a fan of that two-tone. I think that one is a more realistic one than the mileage, because it is a different beast. I will say that, coming from a 4-cylinder. And number one thing, I forgot to check it while I was in there, but I feel like there's not a lot of space in terms of the console area. When I have my phone and I'm hooked up and I'm using Android Auto, like, I don't really have a comfortable spot to put my phone. It's usually in the cup holder. I feel like it could have had an open cubby area or something down there. Not to keep comparing it to the Ultima, but yeah, I feel like there should be a spot where you can throw your phone more comfortably. But like I said, these are really minor things that I don't like. Nothing major, nothing game breaking or that's gonna stop me or would have made me not choose this car. But those are just a few of the things that I found so far that I'm not a huge fan of. Overall, I definitely love the car, and I definitely do not regret the purchase, and I will definitely do it again. Especially like if something happened to this one now, I would most likely go out and find another one. So yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think. I did want to let you all know that I do have some more install videos coming soon. If you saw the reel, well, I posted it everywhere by now, but I do have the carbon fiber rear diffuser that needs to be installed. It has a brake light on it, so when I can get that situated, I'll go ahead and get that installed. I do have a rear spoiler that was supposed to be delivered, but that may have been lost in the mail, so I'm waiting for that to arrive. I have my bags on the way, and I have an exhaust on the way, so I don't want to reveal too much, but that's what's coming up here pretty soon. I think the exhaust will probably be the next thing that shows up. But yeah, I definitely want to let you all know that it's a lot more coming to this. Not stopping anytime soon. Definitely my motivation has been reignited with this car, so it's definitely doing its job. And I definitely appreciate all you showing all the love on the reels and the videos and the shorts and all that. It's definitely doing some numbers, so I definitely really appreciate it. Appreciate all the support. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, we do have an event coming up. It's gonna be on Saturday. This one I posted on social media. I'm going to post another flyer. I've been posting on the story. I'm gonna actually post a flyer by the time this video comes out. I'll post it. It'll be on Saturday at 8 p.m. Information will be down below. I'll have a direct link to the flyer as well, so that way you can check that out. But yeah, other than that, what I want to do is go ahead and select the comment of the day, and the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.